Hello everybody, my name is Shweihninzy and I am so excited to be back filming for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a foundation review. I'm going to be testing out the KVD Vegan Beauty foundation. This is the Lock It foundation. I never tried it when it was originally Kat Von D. Oh yes or no? You see his little head? Oh, probably not. So I didn't try it when it was just the Kat Von D brand, you know, at Sephora and all that stuff. So I got this at Ulta and I'm excited to test this out. This is supposed to be like a full coverage foundation. 24-hour wear, full coverage, transfer resistant, matte finish. Those are a lot of claims. And as you can see, I have a lot of acne scarring. I have combination skin, but as it's getting colder outside, my skin is becoming a lot more dry. So I'm excited to see how this will cover my spots and all that fun stuff. Before I do my foundation, I like to do my eyeshadow just in case I get any fallout. And I'll be doing my eyeshadow with the Raw Beauty Kristi and ColourPop collaboration palette at Forest site. So if you want to see the tutorial for this, definitely check out the video. I don't know if the card's going to be here, maybe. Is it going to be here or here? I'm not too sure. But anyway, check up here for that eyeshadow tutorial or down in the description box. Anyway, if you want to check out the tutorial for this, just check my channel as well. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy to be updated on all things about acne, foundation, makeup, skincare, life, all that fun stuff. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeshadow here in 3, 2, ta-da! What do you think of my eyes? I feel very Egyptian right now. I don't know why. But let's go ahead and dive into the foundation. I got mine in the color Light 48 Neutral. Hopefully this matches me okay. But the packaging is so cool. There's a stopper on here actually that you take off. I don't know if you lift it. I can't remember. Well, you just pull it off and that prevents it from going down. And you guys know how I like to do my foundation reviews. I use a sponge on one side. This is a Juno & Co sponge. And then on the other side of my face, I go in with the Sigma F80, which is my favorite foundation brush. So let's dive in and see how this covers my face. I'm excited. Hopefully this color matches me. I went based on the description online. All right, that's 2 pumps on the back of my hand. This looks like it's not going anywhere. Should we do the sponge side first? Let's go in with the sponge first. I like barely, oh my gosh. That is like so full coverage. Oh my goodness. Okay, 2 pumps is definitely enough. I probably could have done a lot less. I didn't take all of it off the back of my hand. I just dipped into it. I have way too much on right now. Wow. Oh. Wow. That is full coverage. Let's go in with this, with the sponge, with the brush on the other side. I'm just kind of like dipping in here. Not too much. Oh yeah. Wow, it covered up like everything. You guys saw I had more breakouts on this side and I'm just dabbing this in. Wow. I definitely used a lot more on this side, but the brush side definitely blends it out really good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more here. That is insane. Wow. But it definitely does like emphasize like my acne scarring here and my pores because it is so matte. This feels, I was afraid that this would just feel really gross and look like cakey because it's so full coverage, but this actually feels really good on my face. I am surprised. I have a new concealer to try. This is the Hard Candy Glamouflage Concealer. You guys know my favorite foundation from the drugstore, which you can get at Walmart, is the Glamouflage foundation. I absolutely love that. It's my holy grail, my go-to. It's so inexpensive. And they came out with a new concealer. I'm not sure when this came out, but I'm excited to see it as a doe foot. Oh my gosh, that doe foot is huge. Oh my goodness. I got mine in the color Fair, I think. Yeah, Fair. And it used to come in a tube, and that concealer was horrible. So I'm excited to see how this, oh my gosh. I am like barely touching my skin. It's gonna be a lot, I can tell. Wow, that's full coverage. Oh my goodness. She is full coverage. Oh my gosh, this is so much better than the old concealer. She is lifted. Wow. This foundation does feel tacky still, but I needed a lot less. Like I barely dabbed any on my skin and so much came off the doe foot applicator. Like that's crazy. It definitely still feels tacky. It doesn't feel like it's set or anything. I'm gonna go in with one of the precision brushes from Sigma just to get like right here. I really like the Hard Candy powder for under my eyes, but that is such a messy powder. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier powder so I don't make a mess here. And I just take whatever sponge I used under my eye and then I just put that under my eyes. Wow, with the powder, the concealer actually doesn't look that cakey. And I just go my T-zone with whatever powder I have left on my sponge. I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl SuperStay powder. I'll just use this puff and I'm just gonna kind of lightly, I'm just picking up, just kind of dabbing that in and just gonna set the rest of my face here. Here's what the foundation looks like. Like I said, you can still see like my acne scarring, like the deep scars, but the foundation does not feel that heavy at all. I am excited about this. Let's go ahead and finish the face. Let's go in with the Too Cool for School Art Class bronzer. I'm just gonna swirl in all of the colors. I'll go in with the Juno & Co. little palette here. I'll take this blush shade. I don't think it doesn't have a name or anything. Oh, pigmented. Oh yeah, that is very pigmented. I only dipped it in once. I'm kind of just gently. Oh. I'm trying to blend that out with the bronzer here. And I'll use the highlight with it that comes with the palette. Oh! It's a really pretty gold. Oh my goodness. Shade. Oh yeah, it's just like glittery. Oh! Oh my gosh. Look at my cheeks. I'm gonna do my brows and my eyeshadow and everything off of camera, so I'll continue doing the eyes in that other eyeshadow tutorial, and I'll be right back. So here we have the completed look. What do you guys think? I have Sigma's liquid lipstick on in the color Fable. I actually think I used that last time that I was looking at it. I was like, oh my gosh. So This is the liquid lipstick that I have on. I have Kiss eyelashes on. If you guys want to see how I did the eye makeup, definitely check out the eyeshadow tutorial. I just brushed my brows with the Sigma tinted brow gel. I really like how this all came out, but the foundation does feel a little tacky in some places. I set the foundation with the Catrice HD Active setting spray, and I didn't set, you know, my whole face too much with powder. It does feel a little bit tacky, but not like terrible. I don't feel like it's heavy or anything, and that's Arlo crying in the background. So the time is currently 4 o'clock. I know it's a little bit later in the day. I always end up filming later in the day. So we'll see how the foundation wears, but I'm so excited. Let's zoom in so you can see what we're starting with. Oh, I got some, oh, I ended up putting glitter on my eyes too. So here, what's wrong, Arlo? So here's the foundation. It is settling into the lines in my forehead, if you can see there. But that's what we're working with right now. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm all done with my makeup. Well, when I'm all done wearing my makeup. Hello, we are back, and it's after, oh, it's 11:11. Make a wish. So I've had this foundation on for 7 hours, and you guys, like, this feels amazing. This feels way better than the last foundation I tried out, which was the Ordinary foundation. Like, I wanted to take that off ASAP, where this one, I kept forgetting I had makeup on, and I was like, oh. I mean, it is a heavier coverage foundation, but I really think it looks pretty decent for it being such a full coverage foundation. Let's zoom in so you can really see the details. Let me turn my lights down here so you can really see all my pores and everything. I mean, it's definitely like more dewy, but everything looks really good. Like, my blush is still there, my highlight is still there. It definitely did settle into my fine lines on my forehead from going like this, but it looks good. I don't see too many breakouts, just like a little bit, you know, from ones that I already had that are kind of like coming to the surface, but otherwise I think this looks really good. My eyeshadow still looks really good. My lips came off, but that's okay. I was eating, and yeah, everything looks really good. Definitely recommend the foundation if you haven't tried it already. I'm not sure how it was compared to Kat Von D's original Lock-It foundation, if it's the same or different or not, but yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, I am thoroughly impressed. Yes, I spent the last couple hours just cleaning my beauty room, and I want to get it up for you guys. I want to clean it and get it all organized and everything so I can show it to you at some point in the future. Tomorrow is Saturday, and we're going to be, oh my gosh, Leo is going crazy. We're going to be moving some more stuff here, so I'm just really excited to be fully moved in. I'm excited. Moving is a struggle for sure. But if you haven't followed me already, definitely hit subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy. And yeah, let me know in the comments what you want to see on my channel. I always read the comments. I'm really bad at responding, so I'm gonna work on that. But sometimes I do premiere my videos so I can chat to you guys at the beginning. So if you want to talk to me and live chat with me, make sure you're active during the premiere, because I'm online usually chatting with you guys, which I think is so much fun. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and have an amazing day.